Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I've got something exciting to share with you. How to use Steam Link without a PC. So let's dive right into the steps you need to follow. The first thing you want to do is open up your Play Store. Once you're in, search for and download the Steam application. Make sure you install it on your phone. After installation, log in with your Steam account. Now, let's head over to the GeForce Now website. You can do this by visiting beta.play.geforcenow.com. Here, you'll need to sign up for a GeForce account. Unfortunately, due to regional restrictions, I can't sign up, but you should be able to. After signing up, connect your Steam account with your GeForce account. This step is crucial for accessing all your Steam games on your phone. And there you have it. By following these steps, installing Steam, creating a GeForce account, and linking it to your Steam account, you'll be able to enjoy all your Steam games on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more useful content.